past decade. So ngayon lang siya bumalik.
Surprisingly, again.
Oh boy! Open shot! Yes!
That's one of the reasons.
Look for today.
One thing you like about Roger Pogoy, he can make shots and he's a tough perimeter defender.
That's correct. Oh! Turnover, lefty break there. Puposte naman to si Clarkson. Susubukan niya ngayon to initiate from the post. Clarkson leads in and gets the bucket. The chance here for the Dominican Republic. Corner shot, nothing there. Vargas inside, extra passing. Counts once again. He attacks Soto.
That's a foul.
Oh, and one play. And this play of the quarter is brought to you by Ball.
Good steal from behind. Created by Thompson. Okay.
Thompson, open three, yes! Sila with Peña and Malonzo. Oh, so a turnover here off that inbound play. Mendoza with a sidestepping move.
Take a shot right now. He has no confidence, and that's the reason why he's making turnover.
Here's Junmar. Gotta give him some space. Junmar now spits baseline. Yes! Here's Figueroa against Malonzo. He challenges! Oh! May dadaktakin si Malonzo ng first take. Here's Clarkson now. Clarkson weaves his way inside. Yes!
Fusion, it's about playing ball. Yun lang. These are their focus, and when they are, they can play good and they can win everywhere. Pero iisa nga lang, ang tanong ngayon.
Personal foul, it's very key that he keeps away from picking up a third here in this quarter.
He gets 5 guys. Look at them eye him. And it steps back.
Small guy, but we're in the zone again.
Yes. Clarkson, gusto bumawin. Yes. Counter fast break. They go to town. Oh, and Agaw ni Ravena. Good pass to Clarkson. Who slams it home? 2-point lead. Swing the ball around. Hand off. Oh, offensive foul.
No count.
Yes.
Plays as he wants to.
So ngayon, Clarkson Street. Pinoy step. Hand off. And AJ Edwin finishes. So Ravena.
Oh, we got away with that.
Yes.
Because that was open.
Clarkson now. He attacks. Gives it to Junmar. And yes.
Plate certainly has been there for us.
Drop pass inside, turn around. Dado doing positive things para sa Dominican Republic. Ito na yung si Kiefer. Kiefer now with a sidestepping move. Yes! High ball screen again. Feliz and Delgado. And once again, they score.
He's got good lateral movement.
Here's Clarkson now. Clarkson forces the issue, but still finishes. Here's Liz. He attacks. And he finishes. Feliz against Pogoy. Ooh, nice change of direction. Loses Pogoy. Clarkson surveys the defense, looks for a teammate, takes it himself and knocks it down. Yes. And this play of the quarter is brought to you by Max's Sarap to the Bone. Yung tira dito job, clogging the legs. Here's a fast break opportunity. Ramos to Pogoy, wide open from the corner. Yes! Pogoy, binigyan ng screen. Pogoy, now he attacks.
A lot of turnovers. Nice pass.
Look at that. Oh, look at that. Created. Looking to create once again. Loses the leather. Oh, open three. Is good. Para dito kay Montero. Nasaraduan ng pinto. Ito, si Kat. Once again. Powering himself inside.
Scotty Thompson has been sent back into the ball game. He already has 2 fouls now. That's a good pass.
Dwight Ramos for 3. Yes!
Good recovery by Scotty on the closeout.
Ramos now. He bothered now. Scotty Thompson with the leather. Scotty, he attacks. Rolls the defense. Scotty now. Oh, leading layup is good. To Dwight Ramos. Dwight spots up for 3. Yes! At knocking down his second 3.
Crispy.
Yes. Republic.
Oh, what a shot.